Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. So today we're gonna learn how you can log into Etoro through Gmail account. So what you're gonna do is just go to Etoro website first. So just type www.etoro.com and then you'll be redirected to this particular website. Then what you're gonna do is just go to this top right corner where it says login, and then it will redirect you to the login page of eToro. So here you can see you can log in, or let's say sign in through different platforms. So as you want to sign in through your Gmail account, or let's say Google account, just go to the option which says sign in with Google, and then just choose your account and just all the formalities and confirm it. Now it will start logging in. So it will take some time, just do all the steps from here. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you log in or sign in with your Gmail account in eToro. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. And also comment down for more reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.